And I have another Temu haul. I was contacted by them to pick out some items. So that's what I'm going to do. I've been really happy with their items so far, and I'm excited to show you what I got. Okay, this is some fun strawberry type theme stickers that were like $1.49. Strawberry afternoon tea. And let's check them out. For, you know, when I do maybe a strawberry journal. I got their strawberry charms, which were a lot of fun. So you've got like little strawberry torts or cakes, and ooh, yum, strawberries. That'll be great. I love strawberries and blueberries, and well, in the summer, little peaches and all the good fruits. But right now, it is not anywhere near summer or spring. We had ice here in Michigan and snow. I think we're getting more freezing rain tomorrow. Look at that. Isn't that so yummy? So a great variety of the plants and strawberries and the desserts. So that will be really fun. Oh, look at that one. So I'm very happy with that. Lots of stickers. Let's see, I got this chrome silver pen. And it was $1.99 or $2.99. Sorry, $2.99. And let's check it out. Okay. Like a mirror effect for smooth and non-observant. Shake the pen. Press the nib vertically till the ink cover the cap. Okay. Give it a little try here. I'll come and try sitting down here too. I'm going to shake it, and then it says press the nib down. I think it's starting to come out. It is. Oh, wow. And it does have kind of a mirror shiny effect. Liquid chrome silver mirror marker. And you're going to have a little silvery effect. So that's fun. And then what we have here for $1.19, we have 6 pieces. And I love their little charms. These are the cutest little bear charms or pendants. And look at them, they're reading little books. Aren't they so cute? They're adorable. Love those. Then I got a jewelry tool for $2.49, and I don't have one like this. $2.49. Red, black. And it's the kind where you can, you know, I guess wrap your wire and make loops. So that will be fun to use since I don't have one. That'll be great. Okay. Then I got some fun little, it says sea and whale bookmarks for $2.49. I thought these would be nice as a bookmark, or, you know, you could put it in a journal. Bookmark. Trying to see if it says how many. Let's see exactly. But look, you get whales, very cool whales. And yeah, just all different kinds of whales, which would be dolphins, I believe. Humpback whales and dolphins, all different kinds. It'd be fun to put in a C-type journal. Looks like there's 2 of each. 2 of those. 2 of those. 2 of those. So I don't know if they're necessarily bookmark size, but they're about 4.5 long, approximately. But they would be fun to use as ephemera. Those are really cool. I love them. They're like a thicker cardstock material. Pretty little box. Okay. Then I got a wax seal and handle that I thought was really pretty. It was $1.99, and it has the little handle in a pretty color blue. I don't know. I think it might be a random choice of handle. That wood feels like wood. And then look how pretty this is. It's a heart, faceted heart with a little edge around it. So we'll have to try that out. See how pretty that would be. Do you push it in, or? Not sure. Yeah, I think you twist it in. I don't know. Anyway, there is that'll be really pretty when you press down the little heart. That'll be really pretty. It's a great deal, this little handle. So I look forward to trying that out for $1.99. Okay, I got some dies, and I think I will try them out. They're $1.99, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to try them out, and I'll show you them. Okay, I cut them out, some thicker cardstock, and they punched out really pretty, very cleanly. So we got some great sizes. The large one is about 3, almost 4. Say it's 4. by about 3. That's the larger one. Then you have this one, and a smaller one. So I thought those were really quite pretty. Got a nice fun shape to them. So you get 4 dies. For that. And what was it, $1.99? I can't remember now. Okay, then I got one miniature for my dollhouse for $1.49. It's a little wood train. Oh, that's precious. Look how cute. Oh, that's cute. It's got the 4 cars. That's really sweet. And you could paint them. I think you could buy them painted too. And they just clip together. Very fun. Adorable. Love that. Okay, then I want to try, possibly, this is air dry clay. And you get, what does that say, 24 colors? Yeah, 24 colors air dry clay. And those are all the colors. You got pretty pinks and oranges and yellows, little violets, black, browns, blues, and greens, and a little white. So I'm not sure how to use it, but when I try it out, I'll show you. So that'll be a lot of fun to play with. Okay, then I got some more little charms. And these, you could get different colors. These are rose gold. Rose gold little feathers. I'll show you. And you get quite a bunch of them. And I'll put the link. I also will have a 30% off first time users code. And then the link to get that 30% off. I'll have the link to Temu. Aren't those pretty? I like that color. Tiny little feathers, but cute little charms on the side of a journal. Alrighty. And then I got some other charms, $1.99, and they are little 20 pieces. They're little watermelons. And look at those. Got a handful of them. And they got a little place to hang them. It's like a little bite out of them. Isn't that cute? For a little dangle or something, or off the side of a journal. Cute. Watermelon charms. And then I just have 2 more things. This is $4.49 for 2 of these. And they are, what do they call them? They, they pick up tiny things. So you get a pink one. You get a silver one. They're the same, just this one is silver. Sparkly. Pretty. And you get this pink one. And then you have this end. And what is this? You must have 2 ends to pick up like little things, like little sequins, or I don't know what. Oh, hey, here's a little, just so happened to be a little piece of something there. And then I think Look, I did pick that up. Maybe it's sticky on this side. Let's see. Oh, picks it up. But I did get some of this. It's the sticky stuff for $1.39. This is 20 pieces. Little pieces must be. So I got to figure out how to use this. But oh yeah, look at all that. So this is the sticky stuff. And do you like get it sticky? Is that what you do? Picks that up. Oops. Okay, maybe use this side too. What else do I have? Little things. Okay. Don't know why that would screw off, or if that's just the way it's made. Okay. That picks up. That picks up that too, so it must be this end. But there's this flat end too, so I'll figure it out, but it does pick up things like that. That's really fun. If you don't want to, you know, pick that all up, and sometimes it's hard for me to pick things up, so that's awesome. Look at that. Cool. Fun. And then this little stuff probably just gives it a more little stick to it. Probably it's not going to pick up heavy stuff like that, but it will pick up like these little charms. Well, that's fun. So, you know, if you had little sequins and things too, I think it'd probably work on that too. What else? Do I have anything else that's little? Not really. Oh, that did pick that up though. Okay, well that's fun. So I will put the link to all the items that I got from Temu, and I am very grateful and thank you for letting me try out these products. I love them. So fun. So thanks so much for stopping by, and we see you next time. Bye.